Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D part design tutorials, exercise number 61. You can click parametric part and create sketch. I will choose the top plane. Draw rectangle from this center point and set for length 102. For width, I will set 60. Close and use the pad tools to convert into 3D. For length, we set 13 and press enter. The next, you can orbit the object. Click in the bottom face, create sketch. I will use these tools, create external geometry. I will use these lines as a reference and create the rectangle object from this point. Set for length into 13 and then for width 60. Press enter. Close again. Use the pad tools to convert into 3D. For the extrusion, you can set 16. Press enter again. Now go back to this top face. You can click create sketch and use this icon again, external geometry, to set a reference like this line object. Create the rectangle, set for length into 13 and then for width 13. Press enter again. For the distance, use the dimension tools. Select the line and the point or in it. You can set 24 for the distance. Click close. To create holes, we can use these pocket tools. And for type, stroke all. Click OK to apply. Now I will create the circle in the center of this face. You can select again, create sketch, draw circle in here. We set for the diameter into 35 and use project geometry to set the reference line. So we have these 2 points and I will use this constraint symmetric. Click in the top point and bottom. The next, click on the center point of the circle to move into center. We close again and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Set for length 25 and press enter. Now to create holes in this object, you can select and then we can use these hole tools. For diameter, set 17 and for depth, stroke all. So it will be create the hole. Click OK to play. And to select this all object, click Model tab, click Hole, and use the fillet tools to fillet the selected object. Set radius into 2 and click OK. Okay, that's it for basic part design tutorial in FreeCAD for exercise number 61. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.